boys and girls, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, still a Wednesday, December the 21st, 2020. We are going to solve this baby. Yes, a binary puzzle number 1, and this will be number 2056. All right, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. I see here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. I see here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright, between 2 ones comes an O. We see here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 ones comes in O, between 2 O's, sorry, between 2 ones comes in O, double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here an O, and there an O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Yeah. And now I need to compare, I think I need to compare. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3 O's, and I know between an 1 and an O, there's O with 2 empty boxes. There's always an O and a 1. Yes, O and a 1. So we have 1 O, second O, third O, and a fourth O. So this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Here also 3 O's, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. So we have 1, 2, third O, fourth O. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Do we need to compare? That's the question. Do we have a 101 here? Yeah. Oh no. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones in the last row, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so in the first column the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. Great binary without comparing. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself, boys and girls. Thank you again, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last Sudoku, a tectonic with 4 stars, aka Suguru in Japanese. So, see you then, and bye bye for now.